Hello students, myself Mukul Chimote, Director Astute Careers. So we are starting a career series where we will be giving you ideas about different career paths and giving you insight, very important insights regarding that. Now all the information nowadays is available on the chat GPT and all other social media platforms. But this videos are not only about the information. It is all about the insights. What are the parameters you should look for before choosing a particular career. Today I am speaking about data scientist. So nowadays lot of boom is there as far as data scientist roles are concerned or career is concerned. Every industry decisions are based on data and data driven decisions are there as far as the government is concerned, government policies are concerned or business decisions are concerned. So very important role. Now everybody wants to go for data science, AI and machine learning tools, specializations, but whether all the professionals are really getting success into that. People are taking up the degree paths, but they don't have the basic qualities which are required to be a data scientist. That's why the success is not there. Demand is there, but demand is for the people who have the basic qualities to be a professional data scientist. For that, a lot of qualities are required. Students are choosing data science as a career, but whether all the students or all the professionals are getting success into the data science? No, because they don't have the basic qualities required to be a good data scientist. Now, who should take a data scientist as a career, data science as a career? So basically those students who are having a very good foundation about maths and statistics, those students who have a tendency of continuous learning, those students who have a mindset to solve the complex problems. It is very important, and also they are having a very good communication skills. They have an analytical mindset. So these particular qualities are required to become a good data scientist. And most of the people, they complete the degree, but they don't have all this basic requirements or basic qualities required to be a good data scientist, and hence the success is not there. Now basically what are the right steps to start a data science career? So basically learn Python and SQL, understand statistics basics, work on real projects. Practical exposure is very important, which is unfortunately missing in our educational system. Build up your portfolio. It is very important. Your academic profile, your non-academic profile built up is very important. Apply for entry level roles always, because having a knowledge from zero, it is very important from the basics to learn from the basics, so you can really develop yourself as a great professional. Now what I mean by basic numerical ability required: understanding the percentage and the ratio, basic algebra concepts, probability fundamentals, data interpretation skills. Strong maths foundation is equal to strong data career. It is directly related to each other. Analytical mindset means ability to break complex problems, logical thinking, pattern recognition, decision making based on data. Good communication skills are very important, because data scientists they have to explain and give their insight to the non-technical teams always. They have to present reports clearly. Based on their reports, and they are setting the future trends. They are giving the ideas about the future trend, and strategic business decisions are based on their their suggestions. So that's why communication plays a very big role. They influence the business decision, and hence communication is very critical. Now what I have seen, people don't have the domain specific knowledge, and hence they don't get the career success. You have to choose a particular domain. Like if you want to go into the healthcare and healthcare analytics, you can go into finance and banking, you can go into the marketing analytics, supply chain analytics. So domain plus data skill is equal to high demand. This is the they are directly related to each other. Now what are the career opportunities? Now conventional career opportunities are data analyst, statistician, machine learning engineer, business intelligence developer. These are the conventional career options. Now, new age career options are also available for the students. So, data product manager, then big data engineers, analytics consultant. These are some of the new age career options available for the students. Now, AI related career options are also there. Artificial intelligence and machine learning researcher, computer vision engineer, natural language processing engineer, responsible AI ethicist. So all these new age careers and AI based career options are now available for you. So the job roles are basically they manage a large data set, clean and pre-process the data, build predictive models, create dashboards and reports, support company decision making. So all these are the basic job roles. Specializations in data science are also available now. So you can have a machine learning, artificial intelligence, big data analytics, natural language processing, computer vision, business intelligence. All these specializations are available for you. So if you are a 12th student and if you want to become a data scientist, though you have to take up either BSc or BTech in computer sciences, information technology, statistics, math and statistics, you can take up this. You can also do the BCA, MCA part, MSc in data science and analytics, followed by that, or you can take the MTech path. Online certifications in Python, ML and AI are also available now. Now, industry boot camp are very, very important to enhance your practical skills, to acquire a professional knowledge. You should surely join the industry boot camps. Focus on your focus should be totally on your skills, not only on the degree. Now, as far as the salaries are concerned, so India has a starting salary of 3 to 6 lakhs per annum. And mid-level salaries are 8 to 18 lakh per annum, and for the senior level it is 20 to 40 lakh rupees per annum currently. Internationally, high demand, $80,000 to $1,50,000 per year is the starting salary for the data scientist. If you want to take up your master's or bachelor's studies from abroad, then you should prefer countries like USA, UK, Germany. Basically, Germany is a great country which is giving you free education, affordable education also. Australia, Canada, these are all the other quality career educational destination you can choose on. High demand for data and AI programs is there globally. So as a career counselor, we help you to choose an ideal or plan your career path, identify your career, then plan your career path for next 15 years of time, and also help you with the career booster plan. So how you can build up your academic and non-academic profile, how you can enhance your professional skills. So we really help you to with the psychometrics. Now latest AI-based psychometric and career analysis tests are available with us, where first of all we are doing the one-to-one discussions, and then once you give this test, you appear for this test, then we evaluate your report and we give you our suggestions, and we plan chalk out the complete roadmap for you, career roadmap for you. So you can surely do the professional psychometric analysis. Those who are already into the industry, IT industry, they can use this tool. Those who are doing the graduation in computer sciences, information technology, or those who want to pursue data science as a career, so a graduate test is available for them. Industry specific tests are also available for them. And those who want to choose these subjects at the graduation level, so for them career analysis tests are available for the 11th, 12th as well as 8th, 9th, 10th students also. So you can surely take advantage of this. So my final message is this: data science is a powerful but not for everyone. It is not for everyone. Right skills, right planning, right execution with a proper guidance is very, very crucial, very, very critical. Contact Astute Careers for career assessments and planning. Thank you very much. You can surely subscribe my YouTube channel. I will be speaking on different careers and sharing a lot of insights regarding that. Thank you very much.